In this video, I'll show you how you can download your code files from Base44. So first thing to do is sign to your account. Once you are signed, you need to scroll over here where you see your projects and choose, for example, this project from which you want to download your code files. I'm gonna choose this one. And once the project loads, hover your mouse on top right corner and click on this arrow button, click on this. And from here, choose export project as a zip. And now you need to choose download zip, but keep in mind, to be able to download your code files, you need to have at least builder plan or above. So once you have your builder plan, you can click on download zip. And as you can see, download started. Now it's going to download to our downloads folder. So now as you can see, it's already downloaded. I can open the file. And from here, you can see all your files. So for example, hooks, components, pages, and that's how you can download your code files from Base44. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.